Hi everyone, welcome back to Style by Lauren Ryder. I'm Lauren. I love taking vintage, thrifted, and designer pieces and mixing and matching and playing around with my style. If that sounds good to you, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. In today's episode, we're going to do what I wore for the week. So I'll show you my outfits this week and kind of what's inspiring me and what I'm loving. So let's just jump right in. Today I am wearing these really cool swim shorts. I have just like a bathing suit underneath, but you can put, whatever you're comfortable with. And then I paired it with this tank. I love the little sequin nautical embellishments on it. And I have my oversized raffia tote bag, if I'm going to the beach or something, and my little sunglasses on a chain. I paired it just with my heeled sandals and the anklets that I always wear. And then, of course, I have to top off the look with a hat. And I'm very into dramatic sun hats right now. So I love how this one, it has like wiring in it, so you can kind of shape it and play around with however you want it. And I just threw a starfish pin on there to kind of keep with the under the sea theme. And then I don't know if you can see this ring. It's so cool. It's actually a shell that was made into a ring. So I thought I would kind of keep with that under the sea look. And that is my look for today. I am very into seashells for the summer, so I thought I would continue with that in my outfit for today. I just paired this striped boxy t-shirt with, these are actually like a swim skirt bottom because it's super hot out, and I think that's definitely a hot tip if you are looking for like a micro short or a micro skirt. Definitely check out the swim section, especially if you are thrifting. And then I layered on all the shells. So I have my sunglass chain with the shells, and then this necklace I actually thrifted last year. And then I pinned some seashell and starfish pins on it to add a little something extra. And I have my little crochet bag with the crystals on it. And then, of course, I had to do my little new micro bag that you guys saw me or I had in my last haul. And then these shoes I found thrifting a while ago. I think they're actually like dancing shoes, but they're super comfortable. And of course, I had to top off the look with another dramatic hat. This striped one I found a while ago, but I have yet to wear it. So today's the day. And then just a pair of oversized sunglasses to finish off the look. Today I am wearing a pair of white linen shorts. It's still super hot out, so definitely linen is the way to go. And then this is a tropical print shirt that I thrifted recently. You know how much I love a shoulder pad moment. So I paired this Hawaiian shirt with my shorts, and then I just had to throw on all of the accessories to really make the outfit. I have my same little shell ring that I showed you guys before. I have my oversized sunglasses, and then I have a shell choker necklace. This is is a vintage necklace that I got a while ago. And then this actually, I'm very into tying scarves on my head. And this is actually a skirt that came with this top, but I knew I was never going to wear the skirt. So I cut it and made it into a scarf. You can see it's very, haphazard at the moment. I haven't like sewn it or anything, but I like the scarf on my head. And then I have my hat on my back too, just to add a little something extra. I love a good straw hat. And then I have just the same jewelry that I always wear, and then the same heeled sandals to finish off the look. I'm still very inspired by tropical prints and feeling like I'm on vacation. So this is a vintage, actually, I think it's like a little jacket, lightweight jacket, but I'm just wearing it as a top. And I threw on these oversized jeans that I thrifted. They're really big, so I actually have the band rolled over and I cuffed them too, but I like how they're very exaggerated. And I like how I have a pretty, ladylike prim top with really casual jeans on the bottom. And then I had to do print on print with my hibiscus thrifted tropical bag. This bag always just makes me smile because the colors are so fun. I have the same jewelry that I've been wearing. So this vintage shell necklace, my vintage shell ring, and then again with the oversized hats, you can't go wrong for the summer. And then I added a little starfish pin. This starfish pin I actually found at Savers. It's like a real starfish, or not alive, but I added that on the top there. And then just my sunglasses with my little chain, my little round glasses. And then the shoes of the week seem to be my heeled sandals. They just go with everything and they're super comfortable and easy for me to walk around. And that is my look for today. Today I'm wearing polka dots. This is a sheer button down. I love the crystal button detailing on it. And then I have just some polka dot shorts that I paired with it. It's still super hot out. And then I added this tropical cotton scarf on my head. As you can tell, I'm very into scarves. And then just my same oversized sunglasses. I have the same jewelry I've been wearing, this shell necklace. And then I just put some vintage shell and starfish pins on it. And then I have kind of the same jewelry I've been wearing. I have my Hermes bag with my shells in it, and then my little crochet bag on the inside that you can kind of see through. I thought I would kind of carry the clear shoes with it too, with my jelly shoes. These shoes are so comfortable. I wear them all the time. And that is my look for today. Today I'm wearing this sheer lace kind of tunic as a top, and I paired it with my turquoise athletic shorts. I love wearing something that's like so dressy, like lace with athletic shorts. I think it's just kind of interesting. And then I am still very inspired by tropical prints and feeling like I'm on vacation. This necklace I thrifted, and I just like the colors in it. So I added that. And then I have one of my favorite hats, this little straw hat you guys saw me wear when I was in Palm Desert. I like the little beads on the side there. And then I have my vintage Chanel sunglasses on. I love the tortoise brown. And then I have my of course, favorite bag on the planet. This is from a store, The Fine Art of Design in Palm Desert. If you're in the area, you have to check it out. I had a blast there. And watch my video where I shopped there. I had so much fun. And then these Chanel shoes I got from Crossroads a while ago, and they are just so comfortable. I love the colors. They're kind of like tie-dye looking. But that is my look for today. Oh, and then I'm wearing like a tropical print bathing suit top underneath because, again, it's super hot out and, why not be comfortable? And that is my look for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Style by Elle Ryder, and I will see you next week.